Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a photography portfolio with SmugMug step by step clearly.
Begin by signing into your SmugMug account.
If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration prompts.
Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Select the portfolio option from the top menu.
Click on Create a new portfolio to initiate the process. Choose a template that suits your photography style.
You can preview templates by hovering over them. Once you find a template you like, click Select. Now, it's time to customize the layout. Add your personal branding, such as your logo and color scheme.
Next, navigate to the Photos section to begin uploading your images.
Click on Upload Photos to select images from your computer.
Organize your photos into galleries based on themes or projects.
To create a new gallery, click on Add Gallery and name it appropriately. Select the images you want to include in that gallery.
Ensure your images are high quality, as this represents your work. Once your images are uploaded, arrange them in an order that tells a story.
Use the drag and drop feature for easy rearrangement. Now, provide a title and description for each gallery.
This information helps viewers understand the context of your work.
Adjust settings for each gallery, including privacy options. You can decide who can view and comment on your photos.
Next, proceed to the portfolio settings. Here, you can modify the overall appearance of your portfolio.
Consider adding an About Me section to share your photography journey. A personal touch enhances connection with potential clients.
Once you're satisfied with your portfolio, review all galleries for final adjustments.
Check for any spelling or formatting errors.
Now, preview your portfolio to see how it will appear to visitors.
Make any necessary changes based on the preview.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.